Hello friend, welcome to plastic product design series. So in this video we will discuss the plastic recycling process. So this one is very important to understand because it is related with our environment and it is related with our health. So if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updated videos from mechanical design Adda, and please watch this complete series. So let's start the video. Why it is important to recycle the plastic? Because the plastic impact on the environment and the health. So you can see the environmental pollution, source depletion, and ocean pollution, greenhouse gas emission, health risk, and the waste management. So these are the impact of the plastics in our life and in our environment. So for that purpose we need to recycle the plastic, so we need to increase the percentage of the recycling rates. The process actually start with the collection. So here we are collecting the plastic waste or used plastic from the household and to the municipal corporations and from the industry level. So we are collecting the waste plastic or the used plastics. Then this collected plastic goes to the recycling industries where we are recycling the complete plastic. So in the industry we are sorting the plastics. Sorting techniques we are used with the man-made or it is by the robotics, or then we are cleaning the complete sorted plastics. We are cleaning those plastics, and after the cleaning, so we will dry that one and we are shredding the plastics into small pieces. So after the shredding we use the identification and separation method. So we where we are, if anything is remain or contaminated, we will remove those particles, and we'll use the shredded plastics into the extrusions where we are melting that plastics and extruded into the long strand or the long plastics. So after getting the long plastics, so we are palletizing the plastics, like we are cracking that long plastic into small pieces. So once we get the pallets, so we use those pallets or the plastic materials in the manufacture for manufacturing the new products, like for the in the injection molding, blow molding, or the rotational molding. So in any of those manufacturing process we use those pallets and we will create the, or we will manufacture the new product. So this is the complete step by step process of the plastic recycling. So the recycling rate actually depends on the type of the plastic, availability of the infrastructure, and the level of the contamination. Globally, if you see, 9 to 10% of the plastics we are recycling. So whatever we are consuming or using, so out of that only 9 to 10% of the plastic we are recycling. So this rate is low because of the contamination in the plastic material and the mixed plastic, like additives we are using in the plastic. So because of that we are facing the challenge in the recycling process. So if you see with the material, so polyethylene terephthalate, which is nothing but the PET. Yeah, so it is a high recycling rate. So 20 to 30% of PET bottles and the containers are recycled. So PET is actually widely recycled due to its value and ease of processing. And then on the second, HDPE, high density polyethylene, it is 10 to 20% HDPE products are recycled, like milk jugs, detergent bottles. And then PVC we have the less than 1% is recycled, and LDPE around 5% is recycled, and PP polypropylene, it is around 1 to 5% of polypropylene products are recycled, and PS and polystyrene, so it is less than 1% are recycled because of the lightweight nature and ergonomic challenges. So how we can improve the recycling rate? So for that we need to improve our sorting technologies, where we can separate the plastics, plastic grades or the type of the plastic. So sorting technology we need to improve. So we need to educate the consumer on the proper recycling practice and the reducing the contamination of the plastic. So we need to avoid the mixed plastics during the product design. So because the mixed plastics having the big challenges of recycling and for the process recycling process. And then we need to come up with different policies regarding the plastic products, like plastic ban or the deposit return system, and the uh, rules and the regulations for the plastic consumers. So these are the few areas where we can highlight and we can increase the recycling rate. I hope you like this video. So in the next video we'll discuss the plastic recycling symbol and its meaning. So thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.